Class 7, Subject English, Lecture number 34, Lesson number 20, Exercise, and page number of the book is 112. Topic is Future Perfect Tense. Future Perfect Tense is tense that is used to show an action that will be completed at some time in future. What is future perfect tense? Future perfect tense is used to show an action that will be completed at some time in future. Examples are: I shall have done my work, we shall have left the school, they will have visited us, we shall have passed the test, you will have completed your work, etc. Now here is an activity A. Add the future perfect tense of the verbs given. In the first sentence, the given verb is finish. By 7 o'clock I shall have finished. By 7 o'clock I shall have finished. In case of future perfect tense, after subject we use shall or will, then have or has, then third form of the verb. By 7 o'clock I shall have finished. Number 2 sentence, by the end of the year we this book. Given verb is read. By the end of the year we shall have read this book. We shall have read this book. Sentence number 3, when you next see me, I school. The given verb is leave. When you next see me, I shall have left school. Sentence number 4, we all the most important tenses by the end of this term. Given verb is practice. We shall have practiced all the most important tenses by the end of this term. Number 5 sentence is, in a month's time I at school for 7 years. Given verb is be. In a month's time I shall have been at school for 7 years. Number 6, by this time next year we our examination. Given verb is take. By this time next year we shall have taken our examination. 7th sentence, I this book by tomorrow. Given verb is read. I shall have read this book by tomorrow. I shall have read this book by tomorrow. Sentence number 8, by the end of the month the classroom be painted. By the end of the month the classroom will have been painted. Will have been painted. 9th sentence, if we win the next match, we the 10 matches win. Given verb is win. If we win the next match, we shall have won 10 matches. If we win the next match, we shall have won 10 matches. Here is another activity. In certain cases, present perfect tense takes the place of the future perfect. In certain cases, present perfect tense takes the place of future perfect, especially the sentences in sentences having words like when, until, as soon as, after, and before. After these words, future present perfect tense, it takes the place of future perfect. Here is another activity. Add the present perfect tense of the verbs given. The rain will begin as soon as the wind has stopped. The rain will begin as soon as the wind has stopped. Number 2, please don't stop. I shall wait until you have finished. Until you have finished. Next sentence is sentence number 3. I shall not speak to him until he has said that he is sorry. Until he has said that he is sorry. Fourth sentence, the play will begin. The play will begin when the music has stopped. When the music has stopped. Number 5 sentence, may I have the newspaper when you have finished. May I have the newspaper when you have finished. Sixth sentence, you may go home as soon as you have done the exercise. As soon as you have done the exercise. Sentence number 7, do not get off the bus until it has stopped. Until it has stopped. Sentence number 8, you cannot have another until you have eaten that one. Until you have eaten that one. Sentence number 9, we will not give up until we have won. Until we have won. Sentence number 10, he is going to repair my shoes as soon as he has done. He is going to repair my shoes as soon as he has done yours. As soon as he has done yours.